Welcome to British Columbia, Vancouver, Canada. Some of you have maybe seen those lights behind me, actually that cauldron. It was lit during the Olympic Games here in Vancouver during the Winter Games, but it's lit again now for the Paralympic Winter Games, and they are running just now here in Vancouver. And we from the International Paralympic Committee here are actually there to broadcast the Paralympic Winter Games on the internet and live. Hey, my name is Jochen and we are in a office which is the International Paralympic Committee's office in the Broadcast Center, and we're trying to run a kind of multitasking operation here. This is the so-called master control, where we have a audio multi-matrix and we have a switcher, and we have, for example, as well the Key Pro. This little tiny box is already very helpful for us here. At this time the Key Pro is recording the ice sledge hockey match between Sweden and Italy, and we use it simply to play back later, because now we are live with the alpine skiing while this match is taking place. So the commentators are commentating, the voice and the mix is recorded here, and once the alpine ski is finished, we have an easy way to play back. We don't have to use an editing system, it just stop, go to the beginning, play out again, and so we have a kind of easy playback machine for our live stream, what we deliver to the world. So before we even start thinking of recording anything, we need to see how we get actually the proper pictures and the proper sound in this whole system. We have 3-4 commentary booths with commentators commentating parallel to the different signals, and all our signals coming in on an SDI embedded audio video cable. So we need first to de-embed this audio signal in this little box there, where the SDI cables are arriving. We have the AM de-embedders from Asia. We take the international sound out, and then we'll send the international sound to the commentary booth. In the commentary booth, the commentators can listen to the international sound. They do their commentary, and we'll take that return signal from the commentators back into this audio matrix. We'll mix it here on the table for the different commentary positions, and finally we'll embed it again into the SDI signal, where it then finally goes to the recording machines. Now we move from that side, where actually the control is of all the signals, the cables run behind me, back to all the recording machines here in this room, where we have about 7-8 recording machines, Mac Pros with Kona cards, MacBook Pros with IO HDs, and 1 or 2 more Key Pros, where actually all the signals arriving with a matrix, we can switch whatever signal to whatever recording system. We'll record in HD, some in PAL, the rest in NTSC, and that's where we record all the pictures for our archive. Actually, it's not the first time that we're using Asia equipment for running this kind of operation. We were already very happy to have the IO HDs in Beijing during the Paralympic Summer Games in China. And at that time already we were recording on this equipment. We took home maybe 1/3 of the whole footage to our archives in Germany, to the headquarters in Bonn. This time we're taking all the 300 hours of footage back home, recorded on digital hard drives through those Asia equipment. And I must say one more thing. Whenever we had a problem on an issue, I was just getting on my email or the telephone and called somebody from Asia, and we always got immediate response, and we're really thankful and grateful for that. And through that contact, through support, we finally get in touch this year for this Paralympic Winter Games project again.